Hey there, Tom here to help you set up Rocam's NC360 IP camera and talk about some of its features. So let's go ahead and get everything out of the box. The first thing that you're going to want to do is plug in the power cable right here in the back. And you want to go ahead and stand near your router because you'll also need to plug in the Ethernet cable into the back of it as well. Once the power and Ethernet cords are plugged into the back of the IP camera, then it's time to download the app from the marketplace. Simply search for Rocam in the Apple iTunes Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed and opened up, you want to click on the magnifying glass button to add the camera. Now enter the camera's UID number into the box here or scan its code with your device's camera. Both of them are located underneath the camera's base. Next, you'll need to enter admin for both the username and the password of the camera. Then click on the check button at the top right when you're all finished. Now your camera is connected via an Ethernet cable and it can be accessed with your Rocam app. You should see the camera listed now and you can rename it by clicking the pencil if you want. To use the camera with Wi-Fi instead of a cable, go to the camera's live view mode by tapping it in the app again. Now select the settings button at the top left and choose Wi-Fi from the menu. Now go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password. Please note that this camera only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It does not work with 5G Wi-Fi. Also, both your Wi-Fi network name or SSID and your password should not contain any special characters such as @ symbols, caret symbols, pound signs, slashes, or dashes. Your network name and password should only be a combination of letters and numbers. When you're done, click the checkbox at the top right, wait a moment, then disconnect the Ethernet cable. Your camera should be rebooting itself at this point to connect via Wi-Fi. Now let's go over some of the functions of this amazing IP camera. The 4 arrows on the main screen of the app will allow you to pan the camera a full 360 degrees, as well as up and down. You may also press and drag your finger across the screen to move the camera's view that way. And your controls to orient your screen differently, as well as set presets for the camera's movement, are all up at the top. The speaker and microphone buttons allow for two-way communication between you and the camera itself. To save a snapshot of what the camera sees, tap the camera button at the bottom. To start recording a video, just click on the camcorder button. And to stop the recording, simply click on the camcorder button again. You can also flip the view vertically or horizontally with this button here. To access the alarm and motion detection settings, click on the settings button at the top left. Now enter the alarm menu. Here you can flip on the motion detection settings and even change its sensitivity. Also, you can save alarm videos onto your SD card and allow for push notifications straight to your tablet or smartphone device with this button. To reboot the camera or set it back to its factory default settings, just tap on the settings icon and choose System. From here, you have the option of rebooting the camera, setting it back to factory default settings, or upgrading its firmware. There's also a tiny hole on the bottom of the camera right here that hides a reset button. Holding it down for 10 seconds with a pin activates the factory reset process. Whatever method you choose, make sure that you wait 60 seconds for it to finish its process before using the camera again. That covers the most important features of the Rocam NC360 IP camera. For any questions or technical support issues, please contact support@yelaw.net. or call 1-800-318-0560 to reach a representative Monday through Friday between 6 a.m. and 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We would like to thank you for your business, and we hope that you enjoy your new Wi-Fi IP camera.